No, do the foot stomp, man.
Come on, Rusty. There you go.
Hey, yeah. That's hilarious.
Such a good donkey.
Yeah, we're trying to install Windows Movie Maker right now. It's,
For obvious reasons.
yeah, I accept the terms of agreement. We're gonna say this on desktop, right? Just...
And he's gonna record some Skype talks. Right?
Well, yeah, probably. Well, we're gonna try to see if we can get face cam working.
Mm-hmm. And while we get face cam working, he's gonna record Skype talks. Actually, I don't think we can do that at the same time.
Pretty sure, yeah. So yeah, that's that. Okay, bye. But
It's raining outside.
it's raining outside and it's cold. We're gonna go back in probably.
Yeah.
And let's move our stuff under here so it doesn't get wet and stuff. So.
Yep. See you guys at home.
She smells really good.
Oh. Okay. I'm sorry. I'll sit over here and eat my pretzels. Hey, wanna talk to me? No? Okay. Hi, Ruby. No? Okay. Yeah, not dog. We ate lunch. It started raining out. Right after I ended the last part of the video. It rained for a while, and then we came back.
Yeah.
And now it's still raining. Now it's like, what, 4 o'clock, 3:30? Something like that?
3:20.
3:24. 3:24 over there.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Okay. Yeah. What are we watching?
Napoleon Dynamite.
Napoleon Dynamite. Got that, guys. We're watching Napoleon Dynamite.
Right. Sorry about that.
And eating ice cream. It's like 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock right now. So yeah. So we're finishing up fireworks.
Yeah. That's what we gotta do.
Here we go. Colors. Pretty colors. This one's about to go out.
Wait. Do not do it. Do not do it.
On people.
Oh. Yay! I'm a murderer!